Purdue Fort Wayne. So here at Purdue Fort Wayne, you do get that prestigious Purdue degree. We are known for our engineering programs, but Fort Wayne is a bit more affordable in our programs and the city. So I'm going to talk a little bit about our school. I don't know what's going on with technology right now. Okay. So a little bit about Purdue Fort Wayne. We have about 10,000 students, and about 250 plus are international students, and from 51 different countries. We have about 200 different academic programs. We are ABET accredited in computing, engineering, and technology. So Fort Wayne is also located in the Midwest. We are in the northeast corner of Indiana. We are the second largest city in Indiana, and we are about 3 hours from Chicago, 2 hours from Indianapolis, which is the capital of Indiana. And here we have about 300,000 people. We have lots of things to do. We have a really beautiful zoo, botanical gardens. There's always things to do. So we are actually we were ranked #1 for the lowest cost of living in the United States in 2017, and ranked 15th best city for finding a job. We have a lot of brand name retailers here, but we also have a lot of small town shops if you want to support local businesses. And we're also, one of our nicknames is the city of restaurants. So we have a lot of diverse culinary options as far as food. So also in Fort Wayne in the Midwest, you get to experience all 4 seasons. So we have winter, spring, summer, and fall. So it has the average temperatures here. So you get to experience the snow and also the beautiful flowers in the spring. So it's always changing. So student success. We are known as a teaching institution. So we have small class sizes, so about 14:1 student to faculty ratio. And most of our classes, so 90% average fewer than 40 students. And then we are a teaching institution, like I said, so 85% of our faculty members hold terminal degrees. So that means that you're getting taught by professors that have obtained their PhD. So 96% of our classes are taught by faculty. So that's one of the big differences between us and Purdue West Lafayette, the main campus. You still get that Purdue name on your degree, but you get more one-on-one interaction with your professor, and you get more hands-on research available to you. We also have a learning support center, writing center, tutoring center, and in our ETCS building, so our engineering, technology, and computer science, they have a help corner, which is dedicated to help and tutor engineering students. So engineering students get specialized help. So as far as employment opportunities, I'm really struggling with technology. We have on-campus employment. So I always tell students, if you want an on-campus job, you're likely to find one. We have many internships and co-ops. We have a career services department that is dedicated to helping our students find a job. And 62% of our graduates had some sort of internship or co-op as a student. So our student housing, if you want to live on campus while you're studying at Purdue Fort Wayne, is really quite special. We have 7 different floor plans. Utilities are included. We have a patio area, free parking, laundry is free, and it's right there on campus. But the thing that's different is they're all apartment style, and you get your own bedroom, which is a bit different than a lot of other universities. So you can actually, you share the kitchen and the living space, but you have your own bedroom with a door that you can shut and close yourself off to study or whatever you need to do. Cable TV is included, internet, and it's actually really a safe place to live. Also, if you choose to live on campus, we have living learning communities, and we have one for ETCS. So if you want to live in a building with other students that are studying the same program, you can choose to live there. This gives you opportunity to make connections. They have study sessions that they do together and different programming and resume building opportunities living there. So student life, we have over 140 active student orgs and 1,500 events on campus every year. So there's always something going on. There's a lot of activities happening on campus. So here, I have all of our ETCS programs. So it has all of our bachelor's degrees. So we have several different engineering programs. We have computer science, information technology, and organizational leadership is also included in our ETCS program. And then on the right side, you can see our graduate degrees. So I'm not going to read through all of them. All of this information can be found at our website at pfw.edu, which I'll have on the last slide. So let's talk a little bit about requirements. So our undergraduate application, you can apply with the Common App or you can apply directly.
Mary?
Yes?
Sorry to interrupt. Your screen is stuck. It's not moving.
Oh, for how long? Now is it moving?
Yes.
Oh no, okay. Can you see me at all?
I cannot see you, but I can see your screen. Now your screen
Okay,
is
well,
closed.
at least you can see my screen. You should have told me a while ago. Okay, so I'll go through to where I was. Here you can see housing. Student orgs. Okay, these are all of our different programs that we have. So our bachelor's degree, our graduate degrees, and our application. So you can apply through the Common App or you can apply directly on our website. We do need official transcripts and a 2.5 average GPA. And as far as English proficiency, there's many ways that you can demonstrate English proficiency. So we accept TOEFL, IELTS, the SAT or ACT. We also can waive English proficiency if you've taken A-levels in first language English, or if you have an IB diploma. So there's several different ways that you can show English proficiency. For graduates, you would need to fill out an application online, and we would need your university transcripts, and then the graduate school accepts TOEFL, IELTS, and ELS, which is an English language program. And if you'll notice, in TOEFL and IELTS, there's minimum requirements in each band as well. As far as the GRE is only required for our biology department and the GMAT for our MBA. So if you're studying engineering or computer science or any of our ETCS programs, you don't need to provide GRE scores. Also, we do our own transcript evaluation, so you don't need to pay to have an external evaluation done on your credentials. So these are the costs. These are estimates. This is for this past year. Our new fees haven't come out quite yet. So for undergraduate, tuition is around $21,000, and for graduate, it's around $13,000. We do offer scholarships. So we have merit-based awards. They're given automatically to undergrad applicants. They're based on English proficiency scores and GPA. So students can earn up to $5,000, and it's renewable for their 4 years of study. For graduate students, we have graduate assistantships. So you can be a research assistant or a teaching assistant, and you receive a salary. And then you also receive a discount in tuition. So the total value of an assistantship is around $24,000. So these programs are highly competitive. So if students are interested in these, they would contact the program that they're applying for and reach out to them, as they're the ones that grant the assistantships. So as far as steps and actions that we're taking to address COVID-19, we've offered free internet access and expanded our internet access with hotspots. We have a pantry where students are able to go and get free food whenever they need it. We have counseling. We have a health clinic on campus. We also have free iPad and laptop rental if students need help with technology. We have tech support and computer labs that students are able to access, and they can remote access if they would rather do that. We know that things are complicated now with getting visas and everything that COVID-19 has caused. So we are allowing students to take their classes online if they choose for the first semester. Our campus has yet to announce what the format of our classes are going to be this fall, but it's already been decided that students can take classes online if they decide. Also, if students decide to defer, we will allow students to defer to a later semester with no penalty. Also, to make campus safe, we're implementing plexiglass on campus, and we're also distributing free face masks to all students. And we also have a website that has commonly asked questions with all of our resources that are available for students, and it's constantly updated with announcements.